If you're searching for the best Google certificates on Coursera, you're probably wondering which ones are actually worth your time in 2026. After comparing popularity, learner reviews, employer recognition, and career value, here are the top 3 Google certificates I'd recommend. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you a discount on the Coursera Plus annual plan, which is currently 40% off for a limited time. Coming in at number 3 is the Google Project Management Professional Certificate. It's one of Coursera's most popular career programs with more than 2.7 million learners and excellent reviews. Tons. The course teaches project planning, agile, scrum, budgeting, stakeholder management, and real-world project skills that are useful across almost every industry. It's an excellent choice if you're interested in leadership or business careers. At number 2 is the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. With more than 2.1 million learners and over 215,000 reviews, it's one of the most trusted beginner IT programs available. You'll learn computer hardware, networking, Linux, operating systems, troubleshooting, cybersecurity basics, and other practical skills that can help launch a career in information technology. Taking the number 1 spot is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. It consistently ranks as one of the most popular and highest reviewed Google certificates on Coursera, with over 181,000 learner reviews and a 4.8-star rating. The program teaches SQL, Python, spreadsheets, Tableau, data visualization, and real-world analytics projects that prepare learners for entry-level data analyst roles. It's beginner-friendly, highly respected by employers, and offers one of the strongest career pathways among Google's certificate programs. If you plan to take more than one Google certificate, buying them individually can become expensive over time. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better investment. With one annual subscription, you get unlimited access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, leading universities, and many other top organizations. Right now, the Coursera Plus annual plan is 40% off, bringing the price down to just $239 per year, which works out to less than $20 per month for unlimited learning across thousands of career-focused programs. If you're serious about building valuable career skills, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the current offer ends.